What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has finally hit a green candlestick guys, as you guys can see. So we're going to be going through what is next for the crypto. Again, not just Pepe, but the crypto market in general is on the green side, with Bitcoin pumping up over $67,000, which has had a positive impact on the crypto market. So Pepe, is this the recovery point? Is it going to pump up from this point onwards? Is it going to crash back down, or is it going to stabilize around its current price range? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at. Is it time to buy, hold, or sell the crypto, and essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, what we can expect, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But just to point this out, as you guys can see, the crypto took a dip down to the resistance target, and in my previous videos I did expect it or predict it to drop down to the resistance level and bounce back up. That is exactly what's happened. So we're going to look at what is next for the crypto, but for now I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, using the SMA indicator. And we can see yesterday and the day before and even earlier today it was performing lower than expected. However, it has bounced back up and right now trading above the SMA indicator, which is looking quite good so far. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. Reason for this is Pepe has been quite volatile, just like majority of the cryptocurrencies with red and green candles. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting it to go for an overall increase in value from where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting it to fluctuate around its current price range. So again, do expect more green candlesticks in the early hours of tomorrow midday. It should have gone for at least another 15% increase from where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the lines are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Pepe to have taken a little step back down in value. Reason for that is this crypto, I'm expecting it to carry on going for a price correction. It's not over yet. Yes, it's pumping right now and it's likely to pump up over the next few days, hitting more green candlesticks. However, towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting it to hit more red candles, dropping back down in value. Lower than the SMA indicator is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. So even though right now it does look like it's recovering or pumping back up in value, and it looks like so over the next few days, overall it is likely to drop down in value. But again, because I do regular or daily updates on this crypto, I get to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on any updates or news that come across or any changes to my predictions. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and more importantly to stay in the loop on my predictions on Pepe. So Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from the crypto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So potentially early to mid-May 2024, it should have gone for an overall drop in value, trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting. Again, reason for that is it's pumped up like crazy over the last 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm expecting it to hit more red candlesticks over the coming weeks, dropping back down in value, going through a price correction. But we'll get into the percentages very soon. For now, let's hide this and bring out the Fibonacci scale. So yes, right now it has pumped back up, recovered, and it's likely to hit more green candlesticks before it slowly starts to drop back into the blue zone by mid next week, and even lower than that in April and May. I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone by mid-year. So going through a major price correction is what I'm expecting over the next 2.5 months. So let's get into the percentages. As you guys can see here, we are on the CoinMarketCap website. The trading volume has gone up over 20% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.9 billion in trading. Reason is quite obvious. The value of Pepe has pumped up over the last 24 hours, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is giving it a lot of attention, and the value of the crypto is also pumping up even higher. But over the week, as you guys can see, zooming out, it is still down 8% due to the major drop that took place last week and earlier this week as well, when Bitcoin did drop down to $62,000. And that of course had a negative impact on the crypto market. And right now that is starting to recover. Majority of the cryptocurrencies are also on the green side, but when you look at it on the weekly chart, it is still down. However, over the month, even though it's dipped down in value, it is still up over 600%, guys, which is absolutely crazy. And for a crypto to be doing this type of percentage increase is not that sustainable, and that's why I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming months or weeks even, because it's pumped up way too much and it's not sustainable right now, and it's not really a realistic figure for the crypto to keep pumping in that direction. So let me know in the comment section down below your takes and your predictions on this crypto. I've seen a lot of comments saying the crypto is likely to get rid of 2 zeros, which I highly doubt, guys. For it to get rid of 2 zeros, it's going to have to go for a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from the crypto at the moment. Yes, 1 0 is reasonable, however 2 zeros, for me anyway, it's pushing it. Comment down below your view on that. How many zeros are you guys expecting this crypto to get rid of in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.